$100 million is how much money was paid out by Commission Junction to affiliates last year alone. And if you want to get the piece of the pie and start earning money from home passively and work with top brands, recommending top brands, I'm going to show you exactly how in this video you can start getting a piece of the pie, join this affiliate network, who can join, how you can join, and how you can start making money. Now, I'll also be explaining some important terms in this video that are important to know if you want to get into this industry called affiliate marketing. And at the end, I'll be giving you some free link posting software that my company actually developed in-house. We're giving away for free because really we're just testing, we're just developing new software concepts. So I'll show you how you can access it. It's for a limited time only. So you'll want to understand how you can get it now. Make sure you stay and watch this video now, and also show you how you can get free access to our affiliate community at the end of this video. Now, if you want to follow along, I've prepared a Google Sheet that you can follow along. You have the website right up there at the top, which lists out all of the affiliate networks that I've currently reviewed. And I'll be going over the pros and cons of Commission Junction and how you can work with it in this video. Let's go straight to my computer. Let's get it. Okay, so here I am on the affiliate network sheet, and we're going to be discussing Commission Junction. And if you want to follow along with me, just make sure you go to the website, type it in. If you're one of the 14-year-olds that follow me and is using a phone on portrait mode, shame on you. Okay, I know what you're doing. You're looking through the comments. You're like, yo, bro, is this like real? Is John Crestani like a scam? Is he like... No, just flip it. If you want to learn, if you actually want to get this stuff seriously, flip it to landscape mode, or get a laptop and follow along on a laptop if you're serious, because I'm going to really dive deep into this stuff, and you'll want to be able to pause the video, zoom in, take notes, etc. Okay, so you want to go to johncrestani.com/networks, and here I have all of the affiliate networks that I've reviewed thus far listed out. You can click any one of these links to go to the affiliate network and follow along with me, or you can click the link to join over here on the right side, and I suggest you join every single affiliate network you can. That gives you the highest chances of actually getting accepted to one. And all you really need is one program to promote and one person to buy. And once you start earning your first commission online, which is my goal for you, your life will be forever changed, because you'll realize, oh, dude, this is real. Like, oh, John wasn't like, I thought he was like a scam or something. So hope that makes sense. Just apply to them all. Also want to introduce my friend, which is a kitty. We got some kitties. So here, I'll let the kitty out. So Commission Junction right here, as you'll see. Now, a few things to know is that not every country can get approved for this network. The only way to find out is to apply. Please don't ask me. If you ask me, can this country work with this network, you will be banned. I'm tired of seeing those questions. It's really annoying to me. I do this for free on YouTube. I make very little money from this compared to my business. So yeah, please don't do that. It annoys me. What the good thing is that there are 2,800 companies that advertise on Commission Junction, and they represent hundreds of thousands, if not millions of products between them. So there's a lot of opportunity, and they work with very, very, very big brands such as Microsoft and Fiverr and Bluehost on their affiliate network. Now, they do also require approval for the offer. So you have to be approved to the network. They don't allow all countries, and you have to be approved to the offer. So it's kind of like a triple whammy there. But the good news is that, if you are in a country they accept, all the first tier countries, obviously, you can make a lot of money with them. They pay out hundreds, at least $100 million a year. They don't offer much support. They do offer tools. They don't offer training. So they don't offer community, and they are free to join. They pay you through check or wire deposit, and the cash out limit, you can get paid once you earn $100 with this affiliate network. And once again, I suggest you join all of the affiliate networks, because really all you need is your first sale. Let's get into CJ. So to sign up for CJ, you go up here to the upper right-hand corner, right there where it says sign up, okay? If you've already signed up, you can click join. And once you are in CJ, you will be brought to the dashboard, which will show you the commissions you've earned. I promote some CJ products. and the amount of clicks you made, the impressions, the EPC, conversion rate, etc. Now you'll see each click I send to CJ is worth $55. You might be wondering, how do I get those sorts of numbers? Because I'm not really promoting CJ as a front-end product. It's more of a back-end product for me, meaning I really just promote Google Bing to some of my students. And you'll see here, you know, Microsoft runs their affiliate program through CJ, so does Fiverr. You know, yeah, I don't earn a lot of money here, so whatever. What's also good is they have a pay-per-call program, meaning you can get paid if you can just get somebody to call in a phone number. They have technology, so they have widgets to help you promote if you already have a website. But let's actually get into the next things, which is how to find the top offers, okay, and how to get your affiliate link to actually start earning money with this program. So to get your affiliate link, you'll want to go over here to advertisers, okay, and to join a program. And here we are, we'll go to advertisers, and in order to find the top programs, what you'll want to do is you'll want to go over right here to this drop down right there, and you'll want to select this network earnings high to low. Right there, okay? Right there. Okay, and pause the screen if you need more time on anything I do, okay? High to low. Now also, if everything I'm going over sounds too complicated for you, and if I'm going too fast and not explaining enough stuff, please in the comments below type in too fast. If I'm going too slow for you and you're saying, yeah, John, I understand all this stuff already, I don't need explanation, just take me to the link, show me how to get the link, show me all the stuff, show me the stuff, type in too slow. If you're looking for free traffic videos, go to my other videos. It's on my channel. Now the top offer here we see is Zorro. We also have Zappos here and Zales, so some pretty big companies. If you want to join the program, you would go over here where it says join program, okay? And you would simply click this and you'd fill out all the information. You have to click this and scroll down to the bottom, you know, then click accept, then you'd click continue, and you'd click OK, and it will say set to pending application. So one thing that's important to note here is that, you know, in your profile, you know, in your account profile, it's important to fill out as much information about yourself as possible. List out your websites. If you don't have a website, you probably won't get approved on Commission Junction. Okay, this is yet another reason to just have a website, folks. Now, in order to get a link, let's look at a program that I'm already a member of, Fiverr Affiliates. Now, to get our links, we will want to go right over here, okay, where the little chain link is, right here. See, there's the little chain link to promote this program, and we will click Get Links. And as we see here, there are, oh my gosh, look at this, 237 different links that we can use to promote this affiliate program. It's a ton. And frankly, that's kind of annoying. And they give you all these specific links, but again, I just like affiliate programs to just give you a few links. But I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to find the link I want to use, and I just want to promote the homepage right here, okay, fiverr.com. So I'm going to go over here where it says Get Code, okay, to get our specific link once again. Get code. And we don't actually have to do any code, but I'm going to show you how we get the link. Sorry, this cat keeps meowing, a little baby cat. So once we click Get Code, you'll see this whole thing drops down, and we have all these different options to encrypt the links, open a new browser, all this sort of stuff. You know, the sub ID. Sub IDs are useful for tracking, you know, if you're doing Facebook ads, you know, just say Facebook ads or something like that. But what we want to do is we want to click right here to get our click URL, okay? Right there. Now, here we see this is our affiliate link, and some of you might be saying, John, this is preposterous. This is not, say, Fiverr.com. This is, they're probably stealing my traffic. No, hold up. Hold up. They're not, it's a link, dude. It's called a redirect. If we copy this link, right, open link in new tab, we will see it goes to Fiverr.com. Okay, it just redirects. Okay, redirects. We can do that again. It redirects, and that's how affiliate tracking works. Okay, post the link up here, click enter, and it redirects based off of this. Now, if anybody signs up, joins, purchases anything, you end up making money from whatever it is they buy. And in fact, Fiverr shows you, in the program. So right here, they show you how much you make, meaning if you get a new customer for Fiverr, they'll pay you anywhere from $15 to $150 for creating a new customer for them, which is pretty cool. Okay, so you aren't getting a rev share, you're getting a bounty or a CPA, meaning you are getting an amount when somebody signs up. Okay, so that's how I would go about things. Now, in regards to your bonuses and resources, you want to follow along on this page, johncrestani.com/networks, right there. And I suggest you sign up for as many affiliate networks as you possibly can, because all you need, once again, is one offer, one affiliate link, one click, one customer. Once you get your first customer, everything starts getting easier and you'll start understanding, because the biggest impediment in starting a business is actually belief in oneself. It's, and skepticism. Just look me up online or go to CoffeeZilla's channel. You'll see skepticism is a huge thing in becoming an entrepreneur. And it's because we've been brainwashed to be normies, to follow the rules, go to colleges, pay, colleges teach stuff for tens of thousands or over $100,000 that you could find free online. It's ridiculous. So I'm not even going to go on about colleges. I could don't you get me started. But here we are, and what we want to go to in this file though is we actually want to go down here to where it says resources. Okay, you see this little area right here, resources. Okay, resources. And you click over there, and here's a few things. So first off, I suggest you join our free affiliate community. Okay, this is on Discord. It's chat, and it's a great place to interact with other affiliate marketers. We just created this for free. I hired a community manager to help maintain it, to keep people from spamming stuff, because affiliate marketers like to spam. But join it. We're trying to maintain it. We're trying to keep it a nice place that you can interact with others. You're not going to get a response from me. If I see another person post, "Hey John, can I contact you personally? I want to talk," I'm going to flip out. I get so many people saying, "John, what's your WhatsApp number? Can we talk?" I have 1 million people who watch this channel every month. I'm not going to talk to you, bro. I'm going to hang out with my wife. If you want the free link posting software, this stuff is hot. Okay. Now, when you download this, a lot of computers, it will say this is a virus, okay, because we haven't got this certified yet. It is not a virus, okay. What this software does is it automatically posts your links to multiple video sites. It downloads videos, re-uploads them. You need a ClickBank account, which is free. You need a Vimeo account, which is free, and a Dailymotion account, which is all free. And then you'll need to use the associated CSV file here. Again, all of this is in beta. If you want to try it out, type in "I'm in," or "I'm trying it out" in the chat, because this is all new. We started developing software, pretty excited about it. And how to get traffic for free, it's all right here. It says how to get traffic for free. It says it in the cards in my video. I put it in a lot of links. And what this will take you to is all of the free traffic methods, which I've posted over the last year or two. How to get traffic on Instagram for free, how to get traffic on Facebook for free, how to get traffic on Google for free, how to post ads for free, how to get traffic on Twitter for free, traffic on Quora for free. All of these ways of doing free traffic. So implement all of these. Join some affiliate networks and implement all of these, because this is going to give you the best practice of making money online. Again, no money's guaranteed here, but these methods all work. And if you want to get good at marketing, if you want to work from home, you need to charge, you need to start working, and you need to put this into action and enjoy the process. Because if you don't enjoy the process of trial and error, you will never, you'll I don't know, you'll like, I don't know, self-deprecate yourself, and your self-esteem will get low, and you'll get sad and frustrated. So enjoy the process, okay? And if you don't enjoy the process, this might not be for you, okay? If you get really angry and if you have really low self-esteem, don't be an entrepreneur. Seriously, if you have low self-esteem, do not be an entrepreneur. Follow some other channel. Learn programming and get a good job. You can make 6 figures a year from anywhere in the world if you just know programming. And you don't have to have high self-esteem. But to be an entrepreneur, you need to deal with getting beat up every single day and not having anybody that's got your back to tell you it's all right, okay? So you have to be able to do that. Now, if you can't get beat up every day, you know, another way to reframe this is people had, in the olden days, people had to go to war and like get killed. Nowadays, we have the benefit of making money from our computers, so it's a lot easier than the alternatives. So I really encourage you, seriously, and this is not, any sort of marketing speak. If you have low self-esteem, learn programming and get a good job. Don't go into entrepreneurship. It's not going to be, you're just going to flame out. You're just going to tout yourself. You're just going to jump around. You're just going to try something out, then move on to the next, because you don't want to deal with the fact that you failed and you're going to fail. And the reason I win is because I fail 10 times more, 10 times faster than everyone here. And I work unbelievable hours every single day. I fail so much, I lose so much money, I try so many different things, but at the end of the day, I also make more and I win more. So just some words of advice. Again, give this video a big like, subscribe to this channel, join our communities, take back control of your life, quit your job, drop out of school, realize that you are worth everything. You can do anything you want. You can design your world. You are an aspect of God or Allah or whatever Buddha or whatever you believe in. You are an aspect of everything. You can have anything you want if you just take action and believe in yourself. I look forward to seeing you in a future video. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Talk to you soon. Bye.